Hello, lovely people. Today we're going to start with, look at something that is how to insert the table of content. We are going to use Microsoft Word. I have some document which is already here and it is already typed in Microsoft Word. So we have this document. We can go through it. That's the document I have. So I want to make sure that this document gets the table of content. Now, how do I make the table of content? We can see now we have the title here, we have other chapters, and then the subtitles, the subheadings, all these ones, they are going downwards. Now, as one person could have decided to do it manually by writing the table of content and then maybe putting this one by one, but that's going to be hectic for a very large document. Think about things like novels and textbooks, very big books. So it becomes a very hard work for someone to do that. But Microsoft Word makes it very easy for us. So let's start creating our table of content. So we have the heading. This is actually a story about cultural classes and it has a heading of barriers and boundaries. So let's take it to the title. So we can see the title. When we choose the title styles from here, it brings it makes it bigger like this and bolder for us to see. So we select now the chapter. My chapter is already labeled. So from here we can choose this chapter as the heading 1. So we are now choosing the styles of all this. And then this one becomes our heading 2. Now anything that has a decimal place like this one, like 1.1, and then they write the title like the arrival, means that goes to heading 2. And then if it has a 1.1.1, that one goes to heading 3. So when we look at this, all this work I have here, it doesn't have 2 decimal places. Most of them have only 1 decimal places. So they have only not decimal places, but the full stop. So you go to heading 2. So I think I'm going to make another video that is going to show how to make it go up to heading 3. Like you choose heading 3 here when you have the one that goes to 3 decimal to 2 points. So let's choose this one also to heading 2. All right, and then we have chapter 2 here. So this chapter 2, we're going to choose heading 1 for it. Just like we chose heading 1 for chapter 1. And then the subtitle, which is 2.1, the project handle, we go to heading 2. This one also is heading 2. This is also heading 2. And then we have chapter 3. So where do you think chapter 3 goes? It goes to heading 1. So we go to heading 1. Then we choose. I hope we are seeing how it's making the transformation. The font sizes are changing with the font styles, the font colors are all changing for everything that we are choosing. So these ones are the styles which are predominantly chosen for all this. So we can continue with that. That goes to heading 2. All right. We have this for heading 2. This for heading 2 also. And then we have the epilogue, which is now which is the last one. So let's leave this. So we have literally chosen everything that we needed. So we go back to the top of our table. So we want to create a table of content in between the title and the chapter. So we have these references here. We come to references. So when you tap on the references, you look at the corner there. There is where they wrote the table of contents. So we shall choose from that corner, and we are seeing all these. There are these automatic styles, the automatic tables that are created. Like when you tap on them, they come in the way that they're created. There is automatic table 1, there's automatic table 2, and automatic table 3. So you can get very many of them. So I like this one. Let's go with the first one. So when we choose the first one, the table of content creates itself automatically like this. So we can see we have the contents. The chapter 1 is on page 1, and all these ones the pages. So from here we can also decide to insert a page break. We can insert a page break there. So you can see automatically what happens. So our table of content goes to a different page, and also our work goes to a different page. So this is how we can create the table of contents. Thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll be uploading more videos. We shall do another video maybe next week on the same table of content, and I'll be making emphasis on other things like updating the table of contents and more. Thank you so much. Have a lovely time. See you in my next video.